Hello my friends, today I show very quick made project from Heaven parts. Sometimes I need more powerful lamp to make some work of grid. Of course you can buy, but I will do as one guy said. A well-used minimum suffices for everything. So I have a base which I have made before, accumulator from screwdriver, 12-volt LED lamps and sockets, piece of wire and strip of plywood. Now I need to assemble them together. A little glue and couple of screws help me to do this job. I have made such lamp before and used it for some time, but there was just one lamp and no reflector. This time I need to add light power and direct it to one side, but not everywhere. For reflector I found piece of stainless steel from roofing. It's not perfect, but will do this job. Maybe sometimes I'll make some more accurate one instead this quick version. But everybody know that nothing is more permanent than the temporary. A bit more screws and we're gonna finish it. And I should cover these sharp edges by something. So, let there be light. Thank you for watching, don't forget to visit my shop and see you later.